Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. The last couple of years we've been fortunate enough to team up with Walker Furniture along with the Las Vegas Rescue Mission to work with them in their project called Home for the Holidays. Star Nursery has joined to provide these families with a Christmas tree and a little extra gift to help them enjoy the holiday season. For over 20 years, Larry Alterwitz and his team at Walker have offered this program that gives a house full of furniture to local Las Vegas families in true need. Star Nursery is proud to be one of the many sponsors of this program that illustrates the true spirit of holiday giving. To, on behalf of Star Nursery, present you with this Christmas tree and some decorations.
Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you so much. Oh my God, thank you so much.
Oh my God. All right.
Oh my God.
You are
so
very
much.
welcome. And we hope you and your family enjoy this holiday
God.
as much as possible.
Everybody, thank you very much. Really, from the bottom of my heart.
In keeping with the spirit of giving, Star Nursery would like to make this offer to our community. If you or any of your family or friends cannot afford a Christmas tree this year, tell them to go into their nearest Star Nursery this weekend and ask to speak to the manager. Tell them your situation and we will make sure that you go home with a tree for the holidays. The one thing that we ask of any of you that have a cut Christmas tree this year is that you make sure to recycle your trees. You can do this by taking them to one of the more than 30 drop-off locations in the Las Vegas area. There they can be chipped into mulch that will be used in local parks and schools. You can find a list of the drop-off locations by going to the springspreserve.org website. And for those of you who are still looking for a special gift, we have great holiday color available, like poinsettias, Christmas cactus, and cyclamen. We also have a variety of houseplants to choose from, which make great gifts, as well as our Star Nursery gift cards that make great stocking stuffers. Attend our free seminar on rose and fruit tree pruning on Saturday, January 12th at our Ann Road, Charleston, and Eastern Avenue locations. All of us at Star Nursery hope that you are all enjoying your holiday season. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.